We are going to be talking about Uber.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so
now
yeah,
here's the thing.
it's got so much play.
I know. Here's the thing. If you are doing an interview with somebody and they tell you, "Hey, I 2.9 mile, $56 or $50 Uber trip or whatever, $52 or whatever it was," you'd be like, "Oh my god, yeah, yeah. All right,
Well,
hold on, hold on."
yeah, this conversation is crazy, bro. The guy, first of all, the guy is Stephen Levy. He's the editor of Wired magazine, which I'm not friends with, but I know of him. But I work with Arian Marshall quite a bit. It was him. He took an Uber, 2.9 miles, paid $50 including trip, and then he asked Dara, "What do you think I paid for this trip?" And Dara said $20. He goes, "No, 50, sir." He was like, his mouth fell to the ground.
It's like, oh yeah, so I was get this. I was walking my dog yesterday. True story. I was walking my dog yesterday, and all of a sudden I come up. I'm looking down at the street, and I come up, and there's a nice folded $10 bill just laying in the middle of the street. So I pick it up. I look at it. I'm like, oh, yeah, it's a real $10 bill. It's not anything else. But that's what he's thinking. He's like, oh, I just put $10 more in my pocket.
Yeah, 24 million and 10.
Yeah, that's it. And
so
he's like, oh, there's a sucker born every minute.
Yeah, so with my big mouth, I got on Twitter as usual, and I DM'd Steven, okay, and he responded in kind. I said, Steven, you cannot just say you paid $50 for a 2.9, 3-mile trip, including a tip. You have to clarify. What if you took Uber Black? If you took Uber Black, of course it's going to cost you $50 for 3 miles. You have to give me some more details so I can do something with this. And then he goes, Sergio, I know the difference between Uber X and Comfort and Black. I go, I get that, but you should put those details because you can't just generally put something out there and expect people to understand, right? So this was an Uber X trip, Chris.
Oh boy.
You think he got ripped? Yeah, he got ripped. And yeah, he got ripped. And anyway, but he paid, and Dara was in shock that oh my God, $50. Okay, first of all, I hope he tipped his driver. Maybe the trip was 40. He tipped the driver 25%, $10, right? So I'm guessing driver made maybe 12 out of that, 12 plus the tip, maybe 20 bucks, hopefully, out of the 50. And happy go lucky. But Mr. Khosrowshahi, with all the respect, you said if you don't accept tips, the algorithm is bad. It's not working. It's still not working, sir. I tweeted it. I tweeted some trips. Get god awful out here, sir. We need help. Okay, we really do. We need to fix this. So anyway, but yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.